Welcome to all of you in Food Tech Guide channel. Today's topic is fruit toffee manufacturing process. In this video discussion, you learn the detail about the manufacturing process of the fruit toffee, different type of the toffees, its manufacturing process parameters, and general standards and the additives requirement. The fruit toffee is highly nutritive product. In general, the toffee which is made from the milk base, in which added with the additional with the fruit pulp, the general standards for the fruit toffee similar to the fruit bar. The toffee which is the product made from the fruit pulp may be single, blended or the different combination with addition of the nutritive sweeteners, with addition of the fat or oil, with milk solid and other ingredients, and then they are properly concentrated to form a sheet, and finally they cut into as per our requirement. Regarding the general standards, regarding the additives and the microbial standards as per the food safety standard of India, in which the fruit toffee product, it's containing minimum requirement, that is the moisture of the final product not more than 20%, then TSS of the final product not less than 75%, and the fruit content must require to not less than 25%. First, raw material standardization is very important. In this, amount of quantity required of the raw material, they must required to be calculated as per our the final requirement. We can prepare the as per the standards. The different type of the toffees are available in the market. In the fruit based toffee, the fruit pulp in which the single or maybe blended or the combination of the different type of the fruit pulp, we can prepare the different type of the fruit toffees. The main ingredient in which the first fruit pulp, then second one is the sugar plus liquid glucose, then milk solids, and then butter and oil, salt, and the remaining additives. The different type of the combination we can use and prepare the different type of the toffees. These are the general percentage requirement for the preparation of the different type of the toffees. These are the two examples in which the preparation of the guava mango toffee and the preparation of the guava toffee. The minimum requirements, these are the ingredient in which the proportions are given for depending on the quantity of the pulp with respect to the remaining ingredients are given. The main processing steps and the process control parameters for the fruit toffee. First, extraction of the fruit pulp, in which the depending on the different type of the fruits, they are first pre-processed and then extraction of the pulp by the pulper and the finishing machine. The fruit pulp, we can use the fruit pulp, that is the fresh fruit pulp, or by using the aseptical packed fruit pulp, or by using the retort packed frozen thermal processed fruit pulp. With the different combination, we can use as a fruit pulp as a main ingredient. In which the processing step after the extraction of the fruit pulp, the first stage, that is the cooking process. As per our requirement, the combination of the different type of the fruit pulp or the single fruit pulp, they are first the concentration process is carried out, in which the concentration process, the fruit pulp is converted into the concentrated fruit pulp, in which the cooking process, we can reduce its original volume to up to 1/3%. That is the cooking process in which the maintain the proper temperature and the continuously agitation process to convert the concentrate. Then after that, addition of the ingredients. In this ingredient addition, first added the sugar, then added the liquid syrup, then addition of the milk solids, addition of the butter or ghee. These are the ingredients as per our the requirement we can standardize and add it one by one. The addition of the additives at the final stage of the cooking, in which the requirement of the citric acid, preservative, antioxidant, color, flavor as per the standard we can calculate and add it into the at the final stage of the cooking. The completion of the cooking, we can test the different methods, that is the testing for the doneness, in which the first, that is the drop test in water. This is the traditional way we can test the final endness of the product. Second one is the bricks method, in which the final product of the bricks must require to above the 90, in which the very soft, that is the 90 bricks, medium soft ball, that is the required to more than 95 bricks. The simplest and the effective method, that is the use of temperature, that is the measurement of the temperature. If we require the soft ball stage must require to temperature in this up to 120 degrees Celsius, and for the hard stage, that is the soft crack stage, must require to temperature in between the 130 to 140 degrees Celsius. That is the endness of the fruit toffee. After completion of the cooking, the next step, that is the spread, cooling and the cutting process, in which we can use the stainless steel trays. Tray are properly washed, greased with the ghee or the butter, then spread of the prepared fruit topping in the thickness about 1.5 to maximum 2.5 centimeter. After this, after that, they are properly cooled, and then cutting process is carried out. And then after that, proper must require to be packaging. In this, different type of the packaging machines are available. Automatic packing machines are available. Wrapping machines, or the by manual packing machines we can use for the preparation of packaging of the final product. For production of high quality of the fruit toffee, we must require to try the number of trials with proper record keeping regarding to the time temperature combinations and the ingredient formulations. After the preparation of the product, we can observe the main problems. That is the first, that is the stickiness problem. If prepared product is too stickiness, that means the proper cooking is not done. This problem is overcome with the help of the test doneness is carried out with the temperature. And the second problem, that is the surface stickiness. Surface stickiness, that means after the cooling we can observe the surfaces like just stickiness. This can be overcome. That means the proper cooking, and after that immediately required to be proper packaging and storage. Second one is the problem. Mostly we can observe, that is the too hardness of the final product. It is regarding to the overcooking or improper ingredients balance, in which the addition of the higher percentage of the liquid glucose. This can be overcome by the proper cooking process with the addition of the proper ingredient. Sugar crystallization is occurred on the surface of the final product. This can be overcome with the proper ingredient proportion, and then during the cooking process must require to the properly mixing with the proper time temperature combination to maintain. The main additives requirement for the fruit toffees. The additives requirement for the fruit toffee and bar are similar, in which the addition of the acidulant agents, antioxidants, flavoring, thickening agents. These are the examples. And the addition of the preservatives, in which any one single preservative we can add into the product. These are the maximum limit are given for the. These are the references used for the preparation of this PowerPoint presentation. Thank you very much.